So it's only that the rain that rained, it was very short, very short. And you can see we're going to have a harvest for maize here, and they are doing super well. But if we had enough rain, we could have been harvesting a lot of them. But we thank God for this, for few that we have, for the few that we have. We thank God. Yeah. For the few that we have, we thank God. So yeah, it's like that. Yeah, how if it rained very heavily, we could have a lot of maize. But again, I think this maize is weather resistant, and actually it's very good, because now I'm thinking if it could have rained, we could have a lot of harvest. Yeah, a lot of them. So yeah, that is it.